morning everyone, I am Priyanka Gupta. Now today's GD topic is joint family and nuclear family. In my opinion, joint family is good because many people live each other and all festivals celebrate for each other and family support for each other. So joint family is good. Joint family is good and many people live each other. So that's a big advantage of family support is very important for every people and joint family is good because always many people all children all children love care and guidance for know for her grandparents and all because a small function and festival event uh, arrange for her family member help for her parents and joint family is good because for all experience for all support joint family is good because uh, even many people all members live in one family so uh, uh, burden of the earning will not be felt and single person and joint family is good because people always learn for more new and old things for our grandparents and joint family is good because all people people thank you everyone. Hello everyone, I am Riyajan. Today's topic is nuclear family versus joint family. According to me, joint family is better than nuclear family because joint family is a large family. There lives grandparents, parents, uncle, aunts, and their children under one roof. And joint family creates two generation between two generations. Joint family, you feel never alone in joint family. Joint family support many people, bad days and good days. Joint families celebrate many functions, happiness and together. And joint families female divided household work and finish it very soon. According to me, joint family is better. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, I am Varsha this side. Today's topic is joint family versus nuclear family. As I believe, the joint family prefers the most many priority as compared to nuclear family. Well, as we already know that every family have their pros and cons. So here we have sometimes joint family can be the hell because it's not only my personal experience, but I have observed many people saying that they are not compatible with their families. They have lot of privacy issue. They have lack of freedom issue, and they can be say that they are monitored by their elders. They have to ask permission. They have to seek approval from their higher priority member. So let's talk about some demerits of joint family. Here we have the like in joint family there is only one kitchen and there are multiple ladies handling the kitchens, okay? Or maybe there is only one living room, and how we gonna set it up, and what kind of cleanness is required in the living room. So there's lot of there, as we can say that 10 people's 10 opinions, or different people different opinions. Everyone want to live their life according to their self. They don't want to just ask permission for a petty things from their older, from their authority members. So in this priority we can say that joint family is bit little in compared to nuclear family. So I prefer as nuclear family is better than joint family because we have lot of privacy, we have lot of freedom if we compare to joint family. And we just don't need to ask for their parents or grandparents or anything if we want to do in their future. And if we talk about as we can say that the joint family, if someone is earning more, so they will be respected more. And if anyone and the person who are not earning that much, they are not respected, they given the same importance as they are earning more. So this also happens in the joint family. This leads to there are different ego clashes and different fightings, which creates we have seen lot of the things. I have read in many surveys on the Facebook that people are saying that we are not compatible with our families because they create their daily basis daily basis decision making, as this is the fixed amount that joint family creates daily basis decision making procedures. They have their own way to live. Everyone have their different opinions and different way of style living. They cannot wear their own kind of clothes, they cannot have their own kind of food. So there are a lot of things which we can compare their nuclear family versus joint family. Thank you so much.
Jai Hind everybody, I am Ramopadhyay. I am from Agra. So friends, I am going to express my view on this topic, and the topic is joint family versus nuclear family. First of all, the question is arise, what is joint family and nuclear family? So what is joint family? Joint family is a family where grandfather, father, mothers and their children live together in a under the roof. So friends, I want to share some advantage of joint family. So friends, first is joint family. Will celebrate function and festival with fully of excitement. And the second is kids can get lot of knowledge related to culture. How was their grandfather's culture, grandfather life. And the third is there will be have no lack of friends because having cousins in their home. And the fourth is uh, kids will get more love from grandfathers and grandmothers, especially in the case of when their both parents are working. And the last is increasing the incidents of kidnapping and human trafficking is the most important issue for our parents who have kids. But in joint family, this fear is will be less. So thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Kishkan Dev. Today's GD topic is nuclear family or joint family. According to me, joint family is good. Members of the joint family are less likely to suffer from loneliness, depression, anxiety. So,
Good morning, everyone. My name is Pawan, and we are come to here to talk about the joint family and nuclear family. Everyone says to joint family is a big family, and there are grandfather, parents, uncle, and aunt live here. And nuclear family is your parents and your brother and sister live. But I'm to say, joint family means is a big power of us, and we care by them. And in a joint family, we know how to. Create our future, and we know about the family and the regulations, and we families, and by our grandparents, we when we will go there anywhere, so he says to us, what time will you come, and why did you come. So about this thing, we become a punctual, and when your parents and they go to work, and you care by our grandparents, uncle and aunts, and they learn to him many ideas and regulation about our future, and so joint family is better. Thank you.
Yeah. Good morning, my name is Chauhan. Today's topic is nuclear family or joint family. In my opinion, I know that in nuclear family are not enough in villages. You know very well, villages are so many joint families. Why there are a lot of? Because everyone, those are living in family, they want to happiness in families. So in joint family are a lot of, that's why. And they know all, if we will share something for others, that will be good also. And there are a lot of advantages and disadvantages of the joint family and nuclear family. So I want to say that joint family has a lot of advantages. Like we can share everything, we can share so many things also, and we can live one roof also, and rent of room we cannot give for us. In nuclear family you will live Then rents also you will have to give of the room, and so many things, so many expenses you will have to do there also. Okay, and instance of kidnapping child and human tracking are going on also, lot of. So these types of instances cannot be held in joint families because there will be lot of people, so that's why. And villages, about villages I want to say here, in villages are lot of people in joint family. What is the benefit of it? Others cannot be pressurized on you in village. This is the big point of village really. And we can, and everyone can put our thoughts in joint family also, but nuclear family everyone cannot, like that mother and father, both two persons are in family that can take decision. There the possibility of doing bad. In joint family there are grandfather, grandmother and parents, others. There the possibility of being good. They can take decision properly also. Okay, and there the, like that in joint family there the benefit also, like we festivals and occasions can be super fun there. Like anyone can go. There will not be possibility of someone is not here, that's why he cannot go. Other can go. This can be held in also nuclear family. That is not here. So according to my, if I say about conclusion, there is the possibility of like situation and conditions, people that are living his life, what is the situation and conditions, and after that he can decide it. So according to my opinion, I think that the joint family is good.
थैंक यू। जय हिंद, भारत माता की जय। जय हिंद।